Hey cookie creators and lovers alike, I'm Gabby. When you think of Lucky Charms, what comes to mind? Is it something magically delicious? Today on the Cool Cookie Show, we're making some Lucky Charm sugar cookies. For my heart, I'll be flooding it in a soft pink. For this entire set, I'm using a No. 1 Ateco tip for my soft piping consistency icing. And for my 15-second consistency flooding icing, I'm using a No. 3 Wilton tip. Our heart is all done. For our pot of gold, we'll start by flooding the bright yellow. We'll let this dry for 20 minutes to an hour. Our pot of gold is all done. We'll use violet for our horseshoe. This lucky cookie is all done. For our leprechaun hat, we'll start by flooding the clover in Kelly green. We'll let this dry for 20 minutes to an hour before we finish the hat. This lucky leprechaun hat is all done. We can't forget our blue moons. All done. For the star, we'll start by flooding the bright orange. We'll let this dry for 20 minutes to an hour before we add the white. This star is all done. For our balloon, we have a pinky red. This balloon is all done. For our rainbow, we'll start by flooding the center strip in a bright yellow. We'll let this dry for 20 minutes to an hour before we add the other colors. This rainbow is all done. Were you allowed to eat Lucky Charms as a kid? If so, what marshmallows do you remember? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe as well as the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. In the meantime, here are some other videos you may enjoy. Thanks so much for watching The Cool Cookie Show. Till next time, stay sweet.